you aren't, you're going to die out there. And if you aren't, good. But at the same time, if you aren't, really hope you heard me before that trailer. So, whatever. Anyways, welcome everybody to Boom Beach. My name is Chase Boy Jones, and I love this game. I love it. I've been playing this for 2 years straight. And in today's video, I've got a little sculpture to make anyways. Trees. This 30 Mara group. Get out of here. I forgot what the word means whenever you destroy a huge thing of trees. Okay, so that's the limit. Does the focus go right? Nope, not at all. Yeah, if you saw the notification that just happened now, that's right, I watched Lord Minion 77, and if you didn't, then, yeah, go check out his channel. 1.5 million subscribers. It may be a little channel, but he is very entertaining whenever it comes to him playing with his friends. Now, I'm slightly annoyed, not by everything here. Whoops, wrong. I'm slightly annoyed because I tried recording this before this, but I accidentally turned on the mic on my phone. So I ended up having the mic on here and my voice on here was double. So I was like, hello, everybody, and all that stuff. So, yeah. Well, at least I get 10 more beautiful minutes to see you guys again. To see all my fellow gangsters. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe to become a fellow gangster with the one and only Chasey Boy Jones here. Nah, that's better. But anyways, let's get started. This thing is a new update, and it is freaking awesome. Go play it for yourself, Boom Beach. Whoops, did not mean to spawn that yet. Come on. Yes! Got one. Got two. Whenever I get more tokens, I'm gonna need to upgrade anything else first. This ain't working. yet again, sorry, that was a friend of mine if you saw that. But if you didn't... Is there a way I can decrease my levels so I'm not too... Or am I going to need to redesign my hunter place? Well, then I'm going to have to do that. Stop it. Get them out. Boom cannon right there. That right there. That right there. That right there. Flamethrower. Right there. Maybe right there. Ah, no! There. I'm trying to make this quick. There. There. No. No, stop. Stop. Get some help. Shut up, guy in the intercom. Of course it isn't. This gives you that's a lot of space. But you're right there. Right there. And right there. I know this is not gonna work, but it's the best I got. Let's fill you back up. Are you freaking serious? Oh well. I just pinched myself. I just lost. But that is all the time I have for this video. If you like it, punch that button in the face. Smash it. Whatever you want. Stab it in the face. Stab it in the mud. I don't care. I don't give a crap. Do whatever you want to this like button. Subscribe. Ring that bell to be a part of the gangster world and my world. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!